How to install Reelshot on iOS. Ready to unleash your inner video editor on your iPhone? Installing Reelshot is the first step to creating stunning videos. This guide will show you how to quickly get the app on your iOS device. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. It's the blue icon with a white A, usually found on your home screen or in your app library. At the bottom right corner of the App Store, tap on the search icon. Then tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type Reelshot and hit the search on your keyboard to find the app. Once you see the Reelshot app in the search results, tap on the Get button or the cloud icon if you have downloaded it before. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID. The app will then download and automatically install on your iPhone just like this. Once installed, you can open it directly from the App Store or find it on your home screen just like this. You've successfully installed Reelshot on your iOS device. Get ready to create amazing videos. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot tutorials.